Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to perform a quick SEO audit within Google Sheets. You can find this Google Sheet link in the description. You can make a copy for yourself. So here I am writing the URL. For example, my URL is okay. Now go to this menu, website info, click fetch website details. Here it's fetching the title length, description and the description length, and the total images on the page, and the number of images without all tags, and it's the link of the image which is without all tag. It's the total H1 count, and it's the total H2 count, and it's the external links count on the website. You can paste here number of URLs and just hit the fetch website details. It will fetch or audit the multiple pages at once. For example, if you have 100 pages, then this function can get the details from the 100 pages. So it's a simple method to quickly audit the website within Google Sheets. After this, you can also analyze your data by applying the filter. Thank you.